To clean or not to clean? That is the question. As we've all heard, if a coin has numismatic value, you don't clean it, you leave it alone. If there is going to be any cleaning done, you leave it to the professionals who conserve the coins. Uh, so, but hey, on your coins that you get dirty, you want to clean them, that's up to you, especially if it doesn't have numismatic value. So we're going to test these different products. This is BU plus remover, conserved BU plus remover. It's a residue remover and brightener. This is MS70. I think everybody's heard of that. This is JSP Industrial Coin Cleaner and Brightener. This is like $15 for this 4-ounce bottle. This is 20. I think this one was around 10 or so. And these three are caustic type formulations. They have no acid in it. This is dip. This was 15, 16 bucks. Has a little basket. Everybody's heard of dipping coins. And it's acidic. So on the pH scale, that's how you measure acidic and caustic. Neutral is like 7, so like your tap water is 7. These are caustic type formulas. I don't know exactly what their pH numbers are, but they would be above 7. And this being acidic would be below 7. So we're going to try these different cleaners. And these are type cleaners they don't, like this one says, it calls itself a rinse. Uh, but this kind of stuff, they would use when they're conserving. Along with these, we're going to try a ultrasonic bath. You can fill it up with water, and you can use just water to clean. But we're going to use this is a concentrate. You add a little bit of this to the water to help clean, and it does it with sound waves through there, and that causes little bubbles in there, and those little bubbles lift the particles away. You do it like, I think it's like 3-minute cycles. So you can do it for 3 minutes, check the coin, you can do it again, for another 3 minutes here. But that doesn't leave any marks like scrubbing or any of that. None of these should do that. On these products here, all of them suggest using like a Q-tip. So you want to take the Q-tip, and it's best if you kind of just pull a little bit out the edge there. So when you get it, help scrub it in there. Oops. And of course, this, we're going to dip the coin in. You dip it in for like a minute and pull it out. We're going to use, these are just common date walking liberties. You know how walking liberties, they always seem to get dirty. And these are all just common date ones. So see there. Easy to find dirty walking liberties. They all seem to get this way, don't they? And then we got one that's, I don't know, kind of, that's PVC on it, or if that's just toning. Don't know. So we'll give that a shot. Might use try all the different ones to see if it doesn't come off. See if there's, since they are caustic and acidic, it's best to wear gloves, and of course, eye protection to protect your eyes. You don't want to splash any of this stuff in your eyes. So anyway, I think we'll set up here and then come back, and we'll start with one of these and just show you kind of how the cleaning goes. Okay, we're going to start with the BU plus. We'll get the cotton swab good and soaked, and we'll put some on and let it sit. None of these are supposed to affect the actual finish of the metals. You can use it on, silver, gold. And you can see already we're picking up some dirt. Yeah, okay, I know it's kind of boring, isn't it? After you do this, you rinse the coin off with regular tap. Oh, look how dirty that's getting. That's really pulling it off. Probably should get another cotton swab. But yeah, you rinse it off with tap water. It's all, and then pat it dry with paper towels. You don't want to rub it, scratch it, or anything. You just want to just pat it dry. So this, can take a little while, and I'm sure you guys don't want to sit there and just watch me do this. So I will shut you guys off, and I'll come back after a while. We can check on it and see how it's doing. Well, we got some easy zest in right after I filmed the video, so we'll go ahead and add this in. I've got another Walking Liberty. Of course, it's dirty. We'll go ahead and use the Easy Zest cleaner like we did the others. With a Q-tip, just kind of wipe it down. I mean, to be fair, the Easy Zest, the BU Plus, MS70, and the JSB, and the Silver Shine, they're all supposed to, take toning off and brighten them up. As cleaners, I don't know how good. But of course, the ultrasonic cleaner is a cleaner, so we'll see how it all lines up. Okay. Okay, we're back with the results. And look at all these dirty Q-tips. I mean, there's quite a pile of them. So let's get rid of this, and then we can go over what happened. Okay, here's a Walking Liberty that's pretty representative of what they look like. As good old dirty Walking Liberties. Okay, so we'll set, and these are the BU cleaner, MS70, JSP, the dip, and then we had the ultrasound cleaner. So let's take a look here. This was from the BU Plus. It cleaned it up. Still, it's better than it was. This is, like I said, in comparison to what it was. Okay. The MS70 fared a little better, I would say. There's kind of representative what it did look like and what it does now. Still, the JSP didn't fare so well. It did lift. I mean, every one of them. When I pulled the cotton swab away, and I could have kept going on these. I used like 5, 6 cotton swabs. Spent maybe 5 minutes max on each one. I didn't want to, go all my time. Then the simple shine dip we had, here it is. Probably should have tried, I forget what the name of the other dip is. It's in a white container. I think it's got red and blue on it. It's was just going to take longer to get that. See, this didn't do so well. I left it in there a minute and pulled it out, and then put it back in there for about 4 minutes and then pulled it out. Then the ultrasound, it fared really well. There's the, you can see. On the back side. And that was really easy. Real easy. Just dropped it in there with water and a little bit of the cleaner concentrate in there and turned it on. I did like 3 minute cycles to get this, so 9 minutes total. Did really well. Then I tried a little something, Dawn dishwashing liquid. I put a little bit in the bottom of a container and I dropped this one in. It looked like the rest of them, and let it soak for a while, and then took a cotton swab to it. And it really cleaned up nicely. Look at that. So between, this was the ultrasound cleaner and this was the Dawn dishwashing liquid. But this was much easier. I didn't have to do any taking the cotton swab and cleaning in and out. Just dropped it in there. So I would say, if I was gonna clean some of my coins, look at it. I mean, it came out nice. That was a $45-50 machine. You can get cheaper ones. So if you want to clean up some of your coins, I would say that would be a good way to go. Oh, yeah, forgot about the one that was all covered. Looked like it might be, PVC residue or tape residue. Boom. Toned underneath it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up real well. There, when you turn it, kind of, you got all blue toning there. So, I'm not crazy about tone coins, but if you are, I cleaned that residue right off and left the toning behind. Like I said, I'm real particular about the toning I like. So overall, I say, I don't like it. So that was our little experiment of cleaning. So let me know what you guys think. If you have other ideas, I know you can take acetone to clean a little of the residue off, and if you've got tape residue or something, acetone will take that residue off. But again, I would say the ultrasound cleaner did the best. Of the cleaners, I would recommend the MS-70. It worked really well. It came right off, and I mean, it just, every time I pulled that cotton swab off, there was more black on it. The B plus worked real well but not as well as the MS-70 for cleaning the dirt and the grease off. This would work good on residue, tape, PVC, I think, that kind of stuff. So good old MS-70, been around forever. And new technology, the ultrasound cleaner. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please do. I really appreciate all you people out there that support this channel. I really do. And as always, comment and like. Till next time, take care. Wow. The Easy Zest did a really good job. As you can see. And like I said, I just used a Q-tip, like I showed you, just kind of no hard scrubbing, just rubbed it and it cleaned it up really well. So quite surprised by that. I would say the ultrasonic cleaner is probably the best to clean it. Then the Easy Zest, and then the MS70, and then the BU Plus. I mean, all these are good, for brightening up, just taking plain toning. But that to actually, just clean the coins completely. The Dawn works really well. Just let it soak in a little bit of Dawn and take a Q-tip. But the easiest is the ultrasonic bath. Just drop it in there and turn it on and watch her clean. So anyway, if you made it all the way through this video, use comment tone. Use the word toned, TONED, in the comments on this. And I'll give you, whoever the winner on that will get one of the toned walking liberties you'll see here right at the end. It'll be in the next video or two that we'll do the giveaway, but it will be on the comment from this video. So use tone. Want to go ahead and thank you guys for the ones that made it all the way through rather than just checking in and out. So anyway, that's it. I mean, on cleaning, if you want to clean coins, there you go. There's the different cleaners, different ways of doing it. Or well, all was with the Q-tip except the ultrasonic cleaner. And like I said, though, on a numismatic one with value, I don't think I would clean that. Don't want to take the chance of losing any value on it. So anyway, we'll see you. Remember, use the word toned. One thing you're going to be careful of is when I originally cleaned this one, this had the PVC on it, and I thought when it cleaned off, it was just the toning. But actually, I got to thinking about it. This one here, I used the BU Plus on. I let it dry. I did not rinse it. And then I tried some MS70 on it to clean it a little more. And right away it started showing like these toning marks. So just make sure if you're going to use two different cleaners that you really rinse the one off beforehand and let it dry. A little warning. Hey, we always learn something, don't we? So anyway, take care.